So today we have two WooCommerce products, and both of these are missing their short descriptions. So what I'm going to do in this video is show you how to generate these short descriptions for these products using AI. Now, you might ask, why AI? You know, AI is being applied to everything, but do you really need to do it here? Do you need to generate your short descriptions using AI? Short descriptions are easily generated from long product descriptions. So I actually think it's a great job for AI, and it's something that can save you a ton of time, because generally you're going to be writing pretty much the same things if you're doing this by hand. The other reason as well is if you have a lot of products, especially if you have like thousands of products, then using an AI tool like this can help you leverage your time. And you want to make sure that you are generating these short descriptions, because short descriptions are actually pretty important. So why are they important? Because people buy from bullet points. You know, they let's have a quick look at one that does actually have the short descriptions. This gives you the ability as a store owner to show the benefits of the product at a glance. And for buyers, they're making a snap decision half of the time. You know, they're buying from bullet points and they look at these, they see themselves in here. You know, they look at their needs and they're like, okay, I need high density foam. I need a pink, I want a pink yoga mat. They're going to look at the picture. They're going to look at the bullet points here in the short description more than they would read the long description of your products. So that's why they're so important. Now, I'm going to be using a tool called StoreAgent, StoreAgent.ai. It's an AI chatbot, but it also has a bunch of AI content tools, because those things are actually quite tightly related. And these are the kind of tools that it has. You know, you can do category descriptions, product tag generation, product summaries, which is the short descriptions. We're going to use that today. You can actually even generate full product descriptions. It's got a guided editor. We've got this other video on the channel which shows you how to use that as well. And it can do review summaries as well. You've seen like on Amazon where they leave reviews and it'll use AI to summarize what those reviews are about and what the benefits are for the customers. So I'm going to show you on here two different ways you can generate your short description with AI. And the first one, let's just go into the product editor here, and you'll see we've got our product title, we've got our long description here, nice image, and we're selling this for $13.95. So you scroll down here, and this is typically where in WooCommerce you would drop in your short description. You might add bullet points, you might add some short information, basically a smaller version of your long description. So with AI, with StoreAgent, you can actually just generate this summary, this short description, and it will go through and look at that. It'll look at the tags, it'll look at the categories and stuff like that, and the title of your product, and it'll generate a nice short description for you. Okay, and now we have our new short description here. It's gone through and made a summary of the product and added a bunch of benefits in the dot points. So that's fantastic. I'm going to save this one. And now let's look at our next product, which was a MagSafe power bank. Basically, it's got a nice long description there. And I'm going to go into the edit screen. But instead of doing the edit screen on this one, what I'm going to do is go to this unique feature that StoreAgent has, which is a dashboard on the StoreAgent plugin, and it will actually crawl your website in the background every night looking for ways that it can help you optimize your conversions. And one of those ways is identifying missing short descriptions, because we know that customers love these short descriptions. They buy from the bullet points, and we want to make sure that we're picking up on these opportunities. And as a store owner, if you have hundreds of products, or if you've got even thousands of products, it can be very, very difficult to keep up with this and make sure that every single product has a short description. So this turns it into just like a one-click accept button. So let's click on that now. All right, and a few seconds later, that is done. We can view the product here and check what it is actually generated. Looks good to me. We can just go and view this on the front end, and this is how it looks. So it's gone ahead and put in the short description for me so that I can just go through and hit accept, accept, accept. and it will go onto my store and identify all these opportunities for me every night. So that's actually a huge benefit for store owners. It saves a lot of time as well, rather than going to every product and clicking down to generate. So that's how two different ways that you can insert your short descriptions on your products. Very important task. We want to leverage AI for this task because it's something that's a perfect fit for AI, and it's very, very good at doing these kind of tasks. So jump onto StoreAgent.ai, go and download the plugin. It's actually free, and you get a lot of these features here, these content features for free on their light plan, and you can go and check it out for yourself on your WooCommerce website.